It's tire review day today, and we have the Maxxis Razr All-Terrain tire here in the studio, and we're going to take a closer look. Welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And yes, today is tire review day. This time around, we're going to be reviewing the Maxxis Razr AT, the all-terrain tire. Now, first glance, this tire is definitely an all-terrain. It has a much milder tread than the Razr MT. And with its mild tread design, this should be a very efficient tire going down the road. Meaning it's going to handle better, it's going to ride quieter, and well, you'll even get more mileage than an aggressive mud tire. Now, Maxxis is billing this Razr AT as their flagship all-terrain tire. And it was engineered and designed from their years of experience in off-road racing. And this new tread pattern, well, it features a 3D block design and it has bridge reinforcements, and those together will help minimize road noise and any funky tire wear. Maxxis is so confident in their tire wear characteristics that they've given these tires a 50,000 mile limited tread wear warranty. 50,000 miles, and that's for a tire marketed to the off-road community. And well, that's huge. They feature a blade-shaped tread design, and there's quite a bit of open spacing between the tread blocks. And that spacing, well, that's going to create channels that go all the way across the tread. And that's going to help channel water out from under the tire, giving the Razr All-Terrain, well, excellent handling in the rain. Now, the open spacing, that's also going to allow the tread blocks to flex and grip those off-road obstacles better. And it should also help shed mud and soft dirt as well. The new Armor sidewall design features alternating length tread blocks on the side, and when combined with their alternating scallops on the tread edge, these tires should have good sidewall grip, sidewall strength, and edge biting capabilities. Now, for the carcass, Maxxis is using their dual cord casing technology, which they claim helps strength, durability, and ride quality. And Maxxis is also using a new off-road rubber compound that has new chemical fillers in it. And they claim that's going to give you maximum chip, rip, and tear resistance, which is going to help give these tires a longer tread life. Maybe that's why they're offering that 50,000 mile limited tread warranty. Now, these Razr All-Terrains, they balanced in great. We mounted them on a set of Icon Rebound Pro wheels, and over 5 tires, they took between 2 to 6 ounces of lead to balance them in. And that's pretty dang good for a 37-inch tall tire. Now, all we have left to do is get them on the road and on the trail and show you how they perform. All right, we just got back from our road trip. We went out and gave these tires a good shakedown. And I gotta say, they're quite impressive, both on wet and dry pavement and off-road. They're smooth, they're quiet, and they track exceptionally well, especially in the rain. And of course, here in the Pacific Northwest, we get a lot of the rain. And sometimes the combination of a brand new tire on a fresh rain, well, it can be a little slippery. And I gotta tell you, these Razr ATs stuck very solidly, even when we pushed it around the corners a bit. Now, off-road, the Razr ATs performed exceptionally well. We were actually really surprised with how well they worked. They were great in the rocks, and they were great in the dirt and gravel base out at our local ORV park. And then in the muddier sections, well, they hooked up in that too. I mean, it's not a mud tire and it's never gonna be a dedicated mud tire, but it shed the mud really well and worked well. They also performed very well in the sand. They hooked up when we needed to get moving, and when it came to that soft, sugary stuff, they easily floated right over those pockets. So all in all, for an all-terrain tire, we're gonna rank these pretty high on our list of all-terrain tires. We can easily give them a 4.5 out of 5. And well, that's a high rating for an all-terrain. But these did well in everything. Rocks, sand, gravel, mud, dirt, you name it, it worked really well. Now the only thing we didn't get to test them in was the snow, and well, it's just the wrong time of the year for that. However, these are 3P MSF certified, that mountain snowflake certification. So we have no doubt that these tires are gonna do well in that white fluffy stuff too. So are you ready for a new set of shoes for your 4x4? Well, if so, we'd encourage you to take a closer look at the Maxxis Razr All-Terrain tires. They're great on-road and they surprise the heck out of us off-road, doing everything we ask them to do. Now, of course, you're gonna find links for them down in the description box below. Click on those links, get a set coming for your 4x4. And while you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then hit up that comment section and let us know. What do you think about the Maxxis Razr All-Terrain tires? Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you again soon.